How to remove blueberry stains. Blueberries are a tasty and nutritious fruit, but their dark juice sure can leave a stain on clothes, couches, and carpets. Luckily, there are a variety of laundry products and at-home remedies available that make removing blueberry stains a breeze. We've put together a handy guide to safely get blueberry juice out of your favorite summer outfits, furniture, and rugs. If you want to enjoy blueberries without fear, keep scrolling. Step 1. Lift away any blueberry bits on the upholstery. Use a knife, spoon, or clean napkin to grab solid pieces. Be extra careful not to press or smear any blueberry into the fabric. Step 2. Blot away any blueberry juice on the surface. Use a clean, white cloth or napkin and gently absorb as much liquid as possible. Be sure to blot and not to wipe or smear, as this will spread the stain. Step 3. Mix distilled, white vinegar and rubbing alcohol in a small bowl. Use 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, of vinegar and 2/3 cup, 158 milliliters, of alcohol and give the solution a quick stir to thoroughly mix them together. Alternatively, use 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, of dishwashing liquid and 3 cups, 710 milliliters, of warm water. Step 4. Use a clean cloth or sponge to apply the vinegar and alcohol to the stain. Keep blotting until the liquid is fully absorbed into the upholstery. Repeat until the stain disappears. Step 5. Sponge the spot with cold water once the stain is no longer visible. Use a different, clean cloth or sponge to remove any remaining vinegar and alcohol mixture from the upholstery. Then, grab a clean, dry cloth and blot the area dry. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.